You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this curious, confusing name. Admittedly, it's very confusing. It comes from French brusque. And there are different pronunciations in English. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary, more pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Brusque is the British English pronunciation, brusque. The French, brusque. In American English, it's usually pronounced as brusque, brusque, or brusque. Two different pronunciations. British English pronunciation, brusque. American English, US, brusque. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.